Hi guys, welcome all. This is Trading Twilight and I'm Ankita Agnihotri, and today we have Nifty's expiry. Both sides move can be possible, and it's already done. Firstly, it has given a beautiful fall in the morning only in the opening, and then it took a rejection from this particular level. So we have done a scalp from this particular support for the target of like 550. So we have done and dusted, and we have played a one rejection as well in this 550 range, and I have done a one put scalp as well. So now it's like a totally a time of premium decay. So if you have done both the scalps and in any of the side, if you have done a profit, so just make a side from the market and be active after 240 or somewhere. Like we will be getting a beautiful swing which is possible in any of the side. Market is totally in a range which is 100 point range. You can take 25 500 or 600. 600 is the upper level and 500 is the lower level. So one more selling is going to be triggered below 500. This is very much likely to possible for the target of, you can take 25 480. So like 20 point 30 point scalp you can do in the selling side. And as well, like if you go with the uh, bank nifty as well, so bank nifty also suggesting this is a like a make or break level. So maybe it has give a close below 57,000, right? So here it can also drag for more targets, this very much possible. But what you can do in this particular range, once it's taking any sort of retracement, then we will be going to make entry for the selling side. This time you need to avoid the market for at least 1.5 an hour, because market premiums are going to be adjusted at here. You will not getting anything. So and iv is crash badly. So this is a suggestion, like if you are going any of the sides, so make a strict SL right now, because this is 12-14 right now. So maybe if you are taking any sort of entry and you will be going to stuck and premium is not going to be appreciate, so this is the best advice. You can take a break, uh, like a tea break, lunch break, whatever you have. So you will be going to just watch the market in this particular hours, and just mark the levels, and you will definitely get a trade. So one thing is there in your mind. If you found any dip sort of towards like it has not giving a closing below 400, so mark this level. So you can found a any buying opportunity above 400 level. So you can again play for the target of this 550, and this would be your target. And if it is going to close here, you will be going to find a scalp which is 25 500 below, so for the target of 25 450, which is remarkable. And 480 firstly and then 450, this would be your target. And my suggestion is, like, you can avoid this time, and you can better found an opportunity after 2:30 or 2 p.m. So we will be going to risk to reward will be going to be better in this situation, because buy on dip, this is a sort of like today's price action is buy on dip, but it has distorted right now at like this candle. It has distorted and it has converted in a selling positions, and selling price action is already activated. So this is acting as a supply zone 25 500. So maybe one more trigger towards 25 400 is possible. So you can, if you are a risky player, so you can play. If you have not done anything in from the morning, so you can do a scalp in the selling side, quick scalp for 20 30 points. And wherever you will be going to find a big opportunities would be so maybe in the buy side we will be going to recommend. I'm not going to recommend, I am just giving you my analysis. So maybe 400 towards, if it is going to give any dip sort of, so we will definitely look for a risk to reward, so better opportunity. And it will be time for a premium decay. So maybe 25 500 call, which has giving a from 23 level at the rate 23 to like 85 somewhere, has a give a target, so which is going to totally be zero. So in this way, maybe towards 25,400 is possible, and I will be going to look for buying opportunity if it is going to sustain at 25,400. Just mark this level, and if it is not going to close, then we will be going to go for a more selling towards 24, like 25,330 would be the extreme level where it can drift for the selling side. So both sides you need to be active, and don't be biased in any of the side, because today we have the expiry, so this is very much likely to happen. It can give both sides move, and premium adjustments will be going to take place at here. So here one like best thing is there, you need to wait. If your risk to reward and analysis is not going to be matched with me, so you can wait and wait for the price action. Next price action will be definitely give you one or two trade. So two, if you have done two trades, so no need to go for a third trade. This is done and dusted. And if you have done one trade, so second trade you can take after a second half or like 2:30, and we will be going to capture the swings accordingly. And I will be going to intimate you on my Instagram and YouTube handle whatever I will be getting. So through my shorts you can capture the swings. And in this like 500 breakdown, my limit orders is going to be punched for the target of 480 firstly. So this scalp you can do quick scalp. Don't be like going to trail your stop loss, and trailing like is not like taking place at here. Here you need to book your profits in a few square, and go for the like risk to reward after like 3 p.m. or 2:30. A big reward will be going to achievable if it is possible. So we will be going to share the setup accordingly. And as I have told you, so bank nifty is more bearish than nifty, and it has no like control below 57,000. It has give a close, so maybe it can trigger for more selling, which is 56 800 and 700 area. So in this way nifty is, yeah guys, my target is going to be achieved. I think 25,480 somewhere it is right. The scalp is already going to be done, so we are going to book our profit accordingly. It has done 487. So this is nifty's nature. It is always not ready to give you the full target. Like 5-7 points it's above the like target, you need to book sometimes. Like especially in expiry, I have seen this kind of structures in nifty in price action. So in better you can switch to this expiry to sensex if you are not willing to go, and this is very volatile, so you can switch to sensex where the same price action is working. So you can found better opportunity in the sensex, because sensex is not having a theta decay right now. So you will be getting a best opportunity in sensex in the breakdown of 25,500 and in the breakdown of 83,600. So definitely one more towards the day low and below. This is very much likely to possible. It will be going to give you a sort of a scalp, and we will be getting any sort of like buy scalp, like it is showing you this sort of hammer. My scalp is already done, guys. And so this is maybe a premium adjustment, and consolidation maybe take place after like 2 hours or 1.5 hour consolidation. We will be getting a definitely like risk to reward in our favor, and very much good trade. So wait for this candlestick pattern and analysis to be activated after like consolidation. After consolidation, like this is 80% we have a probability we will be getting a big reward, and like our trade will be going to succeed. So I am waiting for that particular trade going to be activate after consolidation. And 400, this would be a support zone, so ready to be like play for both the sides. It has took a rejection from 20 moving average, so maybe 470 in this area it will be going to stuck, and in this range a consolidation will be going to take place. So we will be going to make entry accordingly, and I will be intimate you through my shorts and my Instagram handle. So be active, so you will be definitely getting a trade. And this is a disclaimer, all contents are for education purpose. So if you are making any buy and sale as per my analysis, so consult to your financial advisor first. And If you are liking my video till here, you are watching it till here, so you are very special. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I really need your support. I like your comments as well, and hope you liking my analysis and risk to reward. I always used to give you one or two trades which is going to be having a 80% probability in the like having a target. So in this way you can plan your trade and make yourself profitable in this trading profession. Have a profitable day, and more shares with your like family and friends, so that I can reach more of you and makes you and gives you this sort of analysis. And have a happy trading, happy investing. This is Ankita Agniti signing off. Bye bye, love you all.